Well, this is where we closed over here, um, and I believe so. And all the overnight was long, 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 held long, 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 long liquidation. Came down back to the high, and now we're bouncing. All right, would like to just make a little line right here. This is where the buyers came in, and this is where the sellers came in. So it'll be interesting to see how they react around those levels. So we gapped open. We had a really large gap, and it closed the gap. We gapped open just shy. It was very close. Came within balance. Peaked inside. Started to head away. I think everybody and their mother thought it was going to go back up. And now we're back to the open. So no confidence here. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. So this is why I didn't want to take this trade. Sometimes if it's a breakout, I'll give it 2 ticks to break out. So that would be 06, 07, 08. And if I would have jumped in at 08, it would have taken me out. Now this trade I would have taken if I was here. Maybe not. Maybe not. Now you're coming into all this volume here. You know, all these people who bought, they're wrong. so it comes back up, gives them a second chance to get out. Maybe that's why we had this minor pullback. The ES may be wanting to attack the low, or at least the overnight low. There's not a whole lot of volume in here. I think there's a report at 9:45. $71. Bought it back up. Not a whole lot of interest biting into this level. We may have gotten enough traction to head down this time. I'm going to take what I can get right here. Just that I saw a lot of volume coming out right here, and they're defending. They don't want it to come down here, the bulls. So they're going to defend this because people, if they can get it to go back up, then they know that all these shorts are going to have to cover. It's very minor, just a couple of ticks. It's not something that I would buy off of, but it will get me out of a trade. Maybe a little extended for me to take this right here. I just don't like this action. The only trade here, besides on the way down, I definitely would have taken that shot right there. Is the only trade that I would have taken is this shot right here. It broke out, pulled back. I'll take that. That's kind of what this is doing, but it pulled back so far that for it to break out, it just seems like a pretty extended move for a breakout. That'd be 10, 20, 30, what, 40 ticks? 47. I want to give this some room, but I'm just not comfortable with this market. You see there's 500 contracts up here at 50. So I'm just going to back off for a while. Still have not been able to break their overnight low. That is bullish. You see inventory building here. Once we get above here, 2015, all these people who are sold are wrong. And if we break out, they're going to defend this area for us. See this 400 just blew right through it. And of course they were real. So this might be targeting the overnight high. This is a looks like R1 resistance. I think that's all this is a short covering rally. And if so, it may go up a little bit higher. 2-day range, 3-day range is around 58.90. I don't know if it'll reach that. I have something marked up here, 58.95. But the typical short cover rally goes up, and then it just goes back and forth and has a trading range. So we'll see. So I'm starting to get interested in a long here. Maybe back up to the open. Maybe if it can break the top of this 30-minute bar, which is 2115.75. So up here. So since we've had this breakout, we've had one pullback. Second pullback. But I just don't like this market. I think that it's weak. I think that it's just short covering, and who knows when that is going to be finished. You see the ES is attacking the lows again. It could not break above half back. I would take a long here around 53. As soon as it's I'm sorry, but as soon as it got me in, it got me out. It was I think I got in here and it got me out, and it was like I said within 5 seconds, in and out. No time for me to react or add more or anything. Plus, I was in a trade over here. A losing trade, by the way. Otherwise, I would have much more money. Just give me 10. I'll take it. Ah. Thank you. I'm done.